Hello and welcome to the subjunctive. You will be learning just how to do some conjugations in the subjunctive, specifically in the present tense in the subjunctive. You need to know these so that we can move on and learn how to use the subjunctive, because there are many of them. So let's get started. You have learned how to conjugate the commands, specifically the formal commands, and the pattern is the same in the subjunctive. For AR verbs, you will be using E endings, which is the opposite. And for ER and IR verbs, you will be using A endings, which is the opposite. Let's look at what these verbs look like all the way. So let's take an AR verb first. Let's go ahead and use the verb cantar. The yo form of the verb cantar in regular or indicative present tense is canto. Now we're going to drop that O. Now we will take the stem of the verb and add the subjunctive endings. So yo cante, tú cantes, él, ella, usted cante, nosotros cantemos, vosotros cantéis, and ellos, ellas, ustedes canten. Now let's look at an ER example. Let's go ahead and use the verb beber. The yo form of the verb beber in indicative present tense is going to be bebo. We will drop that O, just like we did with commands, and now we will take that stem and add the opposite ending. Yo beba, tú bebas, él, ella, usted beba, nosotros bebamos, vosotros bebáis, and ellos, ellas, ustedes beban. And last, let's look at an IR verb. Let's use the verb abrir. The yo form in the present indicative is abro. Just like we've done before, let's go ahead and drop that O. We will use the stem and add the opposite endings. Yo abra, tú abras, él, ella, usted abra, nosotros abramos, vosotros abráis, ellos, ellas, ustedes abran. Just like formal commands or negative to commands, we have car, gar, and sar. For each verb, we're going to change the endings. CAR verbs are going to change to QU. GAR verbs are going to be GU, and ZAR verbs are going to be C. You're going to add the AR endings for the subjunctive, like busque, busques, busque, and so on. Busquemos, busquéis, busquen. In the verb for God, we're going to have llegue, llegues, llegue, lleguemos, lleguéis, lleguen. And for SAR verbs, we're going to have cruce, cruces, cruce, crucemos, crucéis, crucen. Don't forget those cargar SAR verbs. Now here's a review of what we have done so far. Stop the video now and make sure you have the conjugations. Don't forget about the verbs cargar and SAR. This is the end of this present subjunctive conjugations part 1. We will continue with part 2 tomorrow. Study.